We're going to take a look at how to reset the spark plug interval on a BMW. You want to turn the key 2 clicks until all your dash lights are on. Don't start the car. If you have a push start button, press and hold it without pressing on the brake pedal, and your lights will all turn on. Just wait for that beep to go away. And then right here we have the reset button. You want to press and hold that until you enter the service menu. Look at that screen right there, and that's right there. You can see this spark plug. If you press this several times, you can toggle through the various options that you can reset. And then if you want to reset any one of them, you just press this switch and hold it, and then where it says reset at the bottom, you just release and press again. And we're going to do that with a spark plug. And you can see the ones that are red, those need to be reset. The ones that are orange, they are good. So let's go to spark plugs. Keep pressing that reset button right here, spark plugs. We press this, hold it, and at the bottom is saying reset, release, and press really quick. And it went to dash, and you can see 100,000 interval, and it went to orange. So that's it. The spark plug reminder is reset.